Well, hi there. My name is Rhonda Flemming Hayes, and I've been gardening since I was a child and writing since I was a child. But I only thought to combine those things later in life. So I guess you could say I'm a late bloomer. Since then, I've written for newspapers, magazines, and authored books. My two passions are pollinators and kitchen gardening. And this new book is called Garden for Life. And gardening is considered one of the best activities for longevity. But I think it's more than just living a long time, it's living healthy and happy. And I think gardening brings those benefits to you. And so I wanted to gather up the strategies, the methods, the tools to help people in their later years continue to reap the benefits of gardening. And so I've tried to put that all into this book so that, it addresses the challenges, but also the joys of gardening. And that's, as we grow older, and that's just a really timely topic right now.
Yes. Oh, I'm looking forward to having you on this party, Rhonda. It's going to be so much fun. Tell us about the party.
Okay, I'm going to read this because I don't have it memorized. The party's going to be great. I can tell you that to begin with. It's free and you can register at the link provided in the comments section of this post. And we'll be speaking with three other authors, Jenny Rose Carey, C.L. Fornari, Pamela Hubbard, and also Christy Wilhelmi is going to be leading our discussion. And we promise it will be lively and fun. And those are great authors. I'm really honored to be amongst them. And then we'll have breakout sessions afterwards so you can talk personally with the authors and ask questions. And then you can, I just think, hope to see you there.
Yes, we hope to see you there. And I'm coming to your breakout room, Rhonda, because I want to hear more about your kitchen garden. All right. Thanks so much for joining us, and we will see you at the party.